How to get Peacock TV subscription and some explanation about the plans. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you could very easily get the Peacock TV subscription, and I will also brief you on some of the explanations about what each plan and what separates the plan from each other. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is make sure that you have downloaded and updated the Peacock TV app. So it is easily available in the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're within the US territory. And if you want to stream outside of US, obviously you would need to use a virtual private network, which is VPN in short form. So once you've downloaded the Peacock TV application, I'm just going to go over and then open it. By the way, if you have not created an account, you can watch our other video where I basically show you how you can create an account. And after you log into your account, you could just go ahead and select up a certain profile. Now, if I have to explain to you, there are basically 3 plans in the Peacock TV application, and I will explain to you all those plans. So first of all, after you log into your account, simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Once you tap on the top right corner, again just tap on the accounts button on the top right, which is the gear icon. As soon as you do that, by default you'll be on this page which says plans and payment. So as I told you earlier, you have 3 plans. One is the current plan in my case, which is the Peacock free plan, which doesn't cost you anything. The other is the Peacock premium plan, for which costs you up to $5, $4.99 a month. And the other is the Peacock premium plus, which offers you $10 a month. So how this works is that on Peacock free version, you basically have to deal with bunch and loads of ads when you're trying to stream something, and not all of the contents are available in free version. Only some of the old contents and some of the kids contents are actually available. And on the Peacock premium version, you can actually have access to all of the features, such as you can watch all of the shows without any restrictions. Obviously you will be able to see ads, but only in some few places. However, the Peacock premium plus has the maximum number of features, which means one of the most important features that separates premium from premium plus is that the premium plus has downloads available. So if you like to watch offline, and if you're sure that you want to download some of the shows, movies and so on, then I would recommend you'd go to the premium plus version, because as you can see, it says upgrades to everything get included in Peacock premium plus at free streaming and the ability to download selected titles to your mobile device. So as I said earlier, the only plan that distinguishes between the premium and the premium plus is that the premium plus offers you downloads, so you could download them to your mobile device and then go ahead and watch them offline. So if you want to subscribe to any of these plans, basically you just need to tap on the upgrade button, and you have 3 options. The first option is to whether or not you want to add a debit or credit card. So if you have a debit or credit card relatively, you could just go ahead and enter those and then pay for it and then tap on the save button. If you have a PayPal account, then you just need to tap on add PayPal over here and go ahead and log into your PayPal account, fill in the payment details and subscribe to it. And if you have a gift card, if you have a code or anything as such, tap on the redeem code button. Depending upon the worth of a gift card, you will be able to successfully subscribe to the Peacock TV Premium. And these were some of the brief explanation about the subscriptions and plans and how you can actually go ahead and what are some of the differences between them. Hopefully this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.